If you're experiencing high ping while playing GTA 5, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you unlock a smoother gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching GTA 5, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online applications that could be affecting your ping. Step 3. Change server location. In the game settings, try switching to a different server location that is closer to your geographical area. This can help reduce latency and improve your overall connection quality. Step 4. Use a wired connection. If you are currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections tend to be more stable and can significantly reduce ping compared to wireless connections. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to optimize performance. Lowering graphics settings and disabling features like VSync can help improve frame rates and reduce lag, leading to a better gaming experience. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping issues in GTA 5 and enjoy a more seamless gaming experience. Happy gaming!